Hi everyone, this is Peyton here, and I'm sharing my Composition 5 English 121 final presentation with you today. So let's get started. My three strategies for helping me this semester with English 121 are keeping calm and having a calm environment, time management and study strategy, and watching my emotions. Oh, excuse me. And watching my emotions. My first one is keeping calm and having a calm environment. I always think that having a calm environment always works for me. It causes me to be less stressed and it helps me think and produce great work. With being less stressed and having a calm state of mind, it makes it easier to think and be productive and get where you need to go and get stuff done. You have an artifact one, which is my Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. You can find them at Walmart, Target, Best Buy, any local electronics store you may find amazing. Um, I'm sorry. I use them to block out all the distractions in the world. I use them to block out all of my distractions, my phone, TVs, dogs, pets, everything. They always work for me like that. And it is always nice to be able to just block out everything and just have pure silence. And then artifact number two is calming music. I always love to have calming music because when choosing a song from iTunes or Spotify or any music platform where you've listened to music from, choosing a song and then make sure you find the right one. It just takes away from homework and you're losing your train of thought and you're losing your motivation to focus and stuff like that. Just having some nice calming music to just keep calm and be productive always works out for me, and it always helps me get things done. For artifact 3, a good snack and a beverage for me are really great because I love to munch on stuff and I love to have a good drink like soda or water or some coffee if you're really feeling coffee. I know I do at 8 a.m. in the morning, but just having a nice drink and a nice little snack to munch on is really, really great because it helps keep you food keeps the mind going and having a drink. Excuse me, having a drink always helps me out. My second one is time management and study strategies. My explanation is that now I know it's easier said than done with these two, but when I find a good way to master both these, I feel like I can conquer the world. Two artifacts to help me with this are What You Should Know About the Brain by Judy Willis and What Works and What Doesn't by John Dunlosky. With the Judy Willis article, with it being about your mind and how your mind works and your emotions, it really taught me that, excuse me, it really taught me with that having a calm state of mind and being able to manage your time to where you're productive and you're able to do it well, your brain should be able to function and remember and retain things to help you with work and to help you finish a project or something you're working on or something like that. And then with What Works, What Doesn't Work by John Dunlosky, with the study strategies he gives us in that article, listing them from the best to still needs data to be proven to where it stands, it really helps having a list of options because knowing me, I'm terrible at studying. Excuse me, I am terrible at studying. And so by having a list of stuff to be able to follow and have right in front of me are easier to be able to do work because they're right there and you know how to use them and where to use them and things like that. Now my third and final study strategy is watching my emotions. So my emotions are something that get the best of me on the daily, and it's an ongoing battle that I must deal with every day with everything I have to do with schoolwork and daily life. Some artifacts to help me control that are breathing. Guys, with schoolwork, it is just schoolwork, okay? Yes, we are trying to get good grades. Yes, we are trying to pass. Yes, we are trying to make a future for ourselves. But if you just breathe and just slow down your thought process, it will fall in your hands. Because if you are frantically typing and trying to get this done all fast and you're not thinking clearly, it'll look rushed. So by breathing and just taking it slow, it'll help you so much. And then the third artifact is thinking happy thoughts. Thinking happy, being happy. Like in the What You Know About Your Brain by Judy Wells. If you are happy and if you are producing serotonin and you are doing really well and you're just happy all around, it'll make it so much easier to have the drive and the finish to finish these projects and works. So don't let your emotions get the best of you. I'm trying to work on that as well. But if you just slow down, take a breath, and just look at what's in front of you and think happy thoughts and get it done, I guarantee you it'll work for you as well as it does for me as well. In the future, all in all, over the semester, I've learned a ton from Kathy and my classmates' work and peer reviewing between looking at strengths and weaknesses from each other, learning how to read and annotate, writing a 5-page essay, and overall it was a really great semester. But doing these 3 techniques I have explained throughout this presentation help me most, and I will add them to my personal English toolbox to help me in the future when it comes to something with writing in the future. Because writing was never really my strong suit. I always thought I sucked at it, I always thought I failed at it. And me and Kathy had a conversation today with my other peers that if you just slow down your thought process and think and say you can do this and don't go in there thinking you fail, you'll be able to do anything. So that's why I had to choose the decision of doing my emotions, time management, and study, and having a calm state of mind and a calm environment to help me and use as my strategies I experimented with on my work this year. This is my work cited through all the pictures, where I got them, the music, the headphones, the articles I used as well. And I wanted to thank you guys for watching my presentation, and I hope you have a great rest of your summer and have a great rest of your college career. And I hope you guys achieve your dreams and get somewhere. Hey, I love you guys. Bye.